everyone, today we will be practicing one more exercise based on the Solidworks part model. We will be today practicing of the bracket. Hope this practice will helpful for you to learn the Solidworks by yourself. So without wasting time, let's begin with the part modeling. Begin with choose the plane of your choice and draw a rectangle. I am drawing the rectangle by using center rectangle, and I am drawing little bit of upwards, and then I am providing the relation with the origin, and then I'll be giving the dimension. Here from the top view I can see that from the center to center the circle dimension is 130. So I am providing the value as 130. And the next side is 60. Fine. Next, convert all the lines into the construction. Now next I'll be clicking on the circle and draw the circle randomly. And select the circle, all the circle by pressing Ctrl. And provide the dimension. Dimension is 17. Now click on line and draw a line from one circle quadrant to the other circle quadrant, and repeat the same process for other 3 circles. Now trim the excess line and the circle's excess portion. So trim it by using the trim command. One more thing, in this small arc portion I will not trim it, I'll just convert it into the construction line, or else my whole drawing constraint will go off. So it is better not to trim this small portion of an arc, just convert it by using the construction line. Now this portion is completed, and now create the front circular portion. So I'll be getting this value from the top view. Now as per the top view, from the origin of the circular center and to the center from the circle, newly created circle, the distance is 55. So provide this value and use some more relationship to make it horizontal. Now see, this newly created circle is completely constrained. Now the steps are really easy. Just draw a line from the quadrant to the end point of the cloth sketch and trim the excess line and provide the fillet. Now simply exit and extrude the closed object by using extruded boss. And those who are extremely beginners and self-learner, they might check it out my video on extruded boss. So I believe the tutorial video will be helpful for your learning. Now select the top face and go to sketch. Now click all the circular edge by pressing Ctrl and convert it by using convert entity, so that we will get the center very easily. And make sure this edge need to be converted into the construction line. Now click on circle and draw the circle. And one more thing, here I'll be in the same plane only, I'll be creating the inside hollow circle. Here it is mentioned 4 hollow circle is there, so I'll be drawing together all the circle, inside and the outside circle. And now use the extruded force features, and then in that there is one more option is called contour, so use that option and extrude and extrude curve, do it together and extrude it as per the drawing instruction. In the front view I can see it is 6 mm from the top surface. Select the backward face and repeat the same process. Now select the perpendicular plane and then make it normal to properly, and then draw the circle. Draw the circle with a diameter of 45 and distance from the end face is 137. And distance between the two center, I believe it is 160. Yes, it is 160. So I am drawing a simple center line away from the 160 mm. Now draw another line of a distance here 100 mm. From the center to the line will be 100 mm away. Now draw a big circle with a radius of R107, okay, and as well as we have to see that the circle is tangent with the smaller circle and with this 100 mm away line. Make sure the circle is tangent with the line as well as the this 45 mm diameter circle. Now trim the excess line which is not required. See the front view and check which line you need to keep and which line you need to trim it. So make sure you trim the line properly. Now I was facing some problem while trimming it, so what I am doing, I am just extending this center horizontal line till the end point so that I can trim the excess line easily, and make sure this end point of the line and the sketch edge need to be pierced with each other. And repeat the same process for the front circular portion as well. The front circular portion's radius is R45. Okay, so carefully check the video and practice along with the video, so that if you practice you will get all the conception will be clear. Now extrude it by using extruded boss, and here we will be using the mid plane option in the extruded boss, and the total thickness is 35. Now after selecting this face, draw the circle with the same diameter. Okay. Now calculate the thickness for this selected face and the next face. We will be using the one option, that is extruded boss. There two separate option is there, direction 1, direction 2. We will be using that and then extrude it together. Now as per the calculation, this side is towards the left hand side, it is 12.5, and the right hand side will be 37 plus total amount, that is 12.5. After completing this, just create the circular hole of a radius 20. Now select this face and go to sketch, and now create the offsetted cut. And for that, first we have to convert the circular edge as well as the straight line into the we have to just convert it, and the front portion as well as the back portion, both the portion we need to convert it. And then what you can do, you have to calculate the offset distance. Then what you can do after doing all those stuff, just you need to do the extrude cut. Once one side is completed, you need to repeat the same process, but I will not repeat the same process. I'll just mirror the whatever I have done in the one face, other face I'll be mirroring it. Just to mirror it, I have to create a symmetrical plane. That means a plane which is situated between the both the faces. So based on this newly created plane, I will be mirror this extruded. Now finally it's come to end. Just draw this 12 mm thickness extrusion is there. It is very simple. I have just chosen the rectangular center rectangle and then extrude it till 5 mm. So finally it's completed. And now if you want, you can give some colors, and hope this video will be helpful for your learning journey, and you may practice along with the video. Just pause the video and try to recreate the same model as I am already provided the 2D drawing. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. And if you think this tutorial is helpful for you, then you may like, share, and please do subscribe my channel.